Well, COVID-19 is having a major effect on how everybody works. Wildfire season is still full force ahead despite the pandemic. Idaho News 6 reporter Nicole Camarda learned how COVID-19 is affecting firefighting strategy on the front lines.
The National Interagency Fire Center predicts a high volume of fires throughout the West this year. But due to the COVID-19 pandemic, fire crews are going to have to change some of their protocols in order to keep everyone safe and healthy.
And we're going to try to really use the social distancing and keep people spread out and not have our crews interact nearly as much as we have in the past.
Fire crews are used to working side by side, but with the COVID-19 pandemic, that isn't the safest option. Firefighters will social distance as much as they can while effectively containing a fire.
On the line, that's going to be much more difficult of, hey, this is your section of your piece you're responsible for, and only having interface with one or two people and just minimizing as much interaction as possible.
The main thing they're doing is ensuring safe and effective fire suppression operations during the pandemic.
With the big wildfire, about 500 to 1,000 people all stay together in one campground. But with fears of COVID-19 spreading throughout the crews, camps are reduced in size and spread out.
Like those hand crews is stay out on the line or stay out somewhere near where your work site is, and we're not going to have them come in nearly as much.
To help reduce the spread among different fire crews, they are using the module as one concept, which keeps units together as if they were a family.
They're limiting their contact with outside individuals and really trying to prevent their exposure to the virus by really trying to operate as family units.
If one engine crew gets a symptomatic individual, we won't spread it to everybody.
Fire crews would typically be served food cafeteria style, but this year all food will be pre-packaged and sent with the crews. They will also receive their action plans electronically.
We're going to really restrict who comes to those morning briefings, and then even do remote briefings via teleconference or radio briefings. We don't want them worried about COVID. We want them fighting fire.
According to the National Interagency Fire Center, about 87% of fires are caused by people. So they're urging everyone to be extremely cautious when doing anything that might spark a wildfire. In Boise, Nicole Camarda, Idaho News 6.